Hello YouTube, my name's Adam. I'm going to show you how to make dry lint candles. Okay, you want to use some olive oil or just some kind of cooking spray oil. Get a non-stick pan. I already made a batch. Spray that good. Next you want to get some Gulf wax. I buy mine from Jewel here. I'm out of Chicago suburbs. But there's basically just some paraffin wax. My general rule is that I'm not sure. Okay, so each one of these is 4 ounces. It's 4 ounces, so I'm gonna break one off. And 4 ounces will make 4 Dixie cups worth of fire starters. You get one of these, pop it in. Generally speaking, wax is food safe, so you can use things you usually use for cooking food. Should be okay. So that'll that block of wax will melt. The reason we spray olive oil is to make it a lot easier to clean up afterwards. Wax is hard to clean, so a non-stick pot helps as well. As you can see, it's melting pretty quickly. We'll let that melt while we prepare Dixie cups. So get 4 regular Dixie cups. Not sure what size these are. And dryer lint. Stuff dryer lint as much as you possibly can into the Dixie cups. I've made these before, so they work well. They work excellent for starting fires. They're almost a little overkill for that. These will burn for like up to 10 minutes or more. So you can see it actually does take a lot of dryer lint to fill these up. And, you know, if you've ever had a dryer fire, you know, lint does burn well, but it's only when you get it going. So the wax really helps. Basically, the lint acts as the wick, and the wax is what burns, because wax is made of petroleum. Just use like one of these. It'll get your fire going easy in the winter. Burning good. Of course, the instructions will say never put wax over never melt it like this, or put it on open flame, if you will, until you can boil it, but it doesn't matter. It is kind of steaming a little. You don't want to catch wax on fire, yeah, that would be bad. Thing is it melts more, it melts faster, because it's surrounded by liquid hot wax. And you'll get some olive oil mixed in, but that doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm pouring this onto a stainless steel plate. It helps to use a metal plate. So now you have a limited amount of wax. So pour as much until it reaches the top. I'm kind of spinning the plate as I go. Don't worry about it catching on fire. It should be okay. And just kind of pour it in as you go and alternate as you go. You're basically saturating the jar lint with wax. These make excellent fire starters. The best part is it's fairly inexpensive. You can see that 4 ounces of wax is about perfect for this size Dixie cup. And if you're brave, you can squish it down. It's just wax, it's not going to hurt. Okay, and I'll shoot a video of these burning sometime. That's how you make fire starters. Let them cool down and just put a lighter anywhere on the top and it'll burn for a long time. Thank you.